Hey, I'm illustrator filmmaker David Hartman, and in this video we're going to be redrawing a piece of art from fellow YouTuber SMULLYART. So in this video, we are going to be collaborating with fellow YouTuber SMULLYART. And if you haven't checked out his stuff, please definitely do. His stuff is amazing. A lot of really high detail traditional line art. So definitely check out his stuff. SMULLYART and I decided to redraw one of each other's pieces. We would each get to pick one of our past drawings that we did a video on, and now the next guy will get to draw his version of it. The piece I picked for Smully was my old video, Alley Freak. If you haven't got to check that one out, you definitely should in the links below or above here, wherever they put them. So for me, SMULLYART picked out one of my favorite pieces of his, which was a cyberpunk musician assassin. Link will be down in the description if you haven't seen it, but I'm really excited about doing a cyberpunk type of piece, and I really love the character that he has created, so let's get to it. So I just started roughing out some basic shapes here. Smully's line art is like super detailed, lots of cyber tech on this character. So right now I'm just trying to get the basic shapes down, but I can't help jumping into some of the detail as we go along. So as I was finishing up the line art on this character, I decided I hated this image. I really didn't like where it was going. I really love the character and I wasn't doing it justice, and I just wasn't feeling it. So I wasn't happy and I wanted to do a more dynamic illustration type piece, like a comic page or something, with her fighting a robot army. So I started over and began making more of a comic-like illustration. So I was kind of happy with this end result, but I still wasn't happy with the depiction of the character. You know, it was a fun action scene, but I still wanted to draw the character. I was having fun actually drawing this character a lot. So I decided to do one more with her standing along some of her pals. Like maybe they're also bandmates or maybe they're roadies for her. But, you know, they help her fight as well. So this was definitely a challenge. I got a little stumped on some of the details and some of the drawing, but you know, I'm pretty happy with how they eventually came out. So this has been a really fun collaboration with SMULLYART. I love his stuff. Pretty excited to see how he drew the alley freak. So if you could please hit the like and subscribe button. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I'm really hoping we can get to that before the end of the year. So I just wanted to thank everybody who has subscribed, and stay tuned for the next video. Come on. Are you kidding me?